In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Creative Assistant in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main navigation. The Creative Assistant is designed to help you quickly build branded marketing content, so it's especially useful if you want your emails and visuals to look polished without spending too much time designing everything from scratch. From the main menu, click on Content. This is where MailChimp stores and organizes creative assets, including images, brand elements, and design tools. Inside this section, look for Creative Assistant and click to open it. Once you're there, you'll see a few different ways to begin setting up your brand. One of the fastest options is to paste your website URL into the provided field. MailChimp can use your site to pull in visual details, such as your brand colors, logo, fonts, and overall style. This can save a lot of time, especially if you already have a website that reflects the look of your business or project. After pasting the URL, follow the prompts on screen and let the tool begin analyzing your brand elements. If you prefer, you can also set up your own brand manually instead of using a website. This is a good option if your site is still under construction, if you want more control, or if you're creating content for a brand that doesn't yet have an online presence. In that case, you can enter your brand details directly and build the look you want from the beginning. Another option you may see is Sample Brand. If you want to explore the tool before committing to your own brand setup, click Sample Brand. This is a simple way to see how the Creative Assistant works and understand the types of layouts and branding suggestions MailChimp can generate. It's especially helpful if you're learning the platform for the first time. Whichever option you choose, feel free to customize everything afterward. That includes adjusting colors, updating logos, refining the style, and making sure the final look matches your brand identity. The Creative Assistant is meant to give you a strong starting point, but the best results usually come from reviewing and personalizing the design. As you work, try to keep your branding consistent across all assets. Consistency helps your emails and marketing materials look more professional and makes your brand easier to recognize. That's how to use the Creative Assistant in MailChimp. Once you've set it up, you'll be able to create branded content much faster and with a lot more confidence.